take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever.
Hey, where are we right now?
Las Vegas.
Las Vegas! That dress is so cute. Thanks, Allie.
I'm Allie.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That time of year again. Hey, fam. Sun, fresh cut, Rise Festival, 10-year anniversary. Hoping these winds die down so we can release our lanterns.
You're the sunshine on my mind. We're burning through the city of lights. You're the sunshine on my mind. We're burning through the city of lights.
We are home from Las Vegas. It was such a bummer that we did not get to release lanterns this year. Summer was really looking forward to it. We all were. Such a magical moment in time. But sadly, the wind had other plans for us. So we were not able to release the lanterns this year, and we couldn't stay to see Rufus. There was literally so much dust, so much dirt, the wind, it was crazy. I was like, even we had the face coverings, it wasn't enough. So we had to get Summer out of there. None of us were, no one should be breathing that. So these are my twinkle lights that I get just here in my studio home. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching that. We've done this before, the Lantern Festival, and that wasn't the ending we were hoping for. I wanted lanterns and Rufus and, oh well. But, there's always another show and another festival, so we'll get them next time. But in the meantime, I will be here. I'm thinking of doing some more vlogs just to kind of document this time of not filming and what I've been up to instead. So if you guys want to see more of that, comment below. These vlogs have really just always been for Summer, for a place for her to look back on her life. But I'm thinking, maybe we make a playlist of some other things that I've been working on and start doing that kind of content. So, I don't know, early stages, we're thinking, but also, I feel like it's like a solo podcast. I could just sit here and talk to the camera forever. So comment below. Let me know what you guys want to see more of from my channel, because obviously I do this for my daughter, for her to have those memories, but it's also for you guys to just see little glimpses of our life that you didn't get to see on the show and you won't see on the show next season since we're not doing it. But overall, feeling good, feeling at peace, and trying to protect that. So thank you guys so much for watching. We'll be back next week. Bye.
All my life.